I've been looking for a new car recently, and I think I found the one. I've looked through the Teslas, the sports cars, the McLarens, stuff like that, but I have never seen a car like this. This car is called the Rimac Navara, something like that. It was released yesterday and has 2,100 horsepower. There's the line where this becomes a rocket ship instead of a car. Here's some of the stats if you want to know. 0 to 60 in 1.7 seconds, quarter mile in almost 8 flat, and it goes from 0 to 200 in 9 seconds flat. I'm buying it. I got like 50 bucks in the account. Actually, 43. I just bought Chipotle. Would y'all be mad if I posted like 1,000 ads over the next 2 months? You know, got myself one of these. Oh, never mind. It's gonna be a little bit more than that.